Join us at the beach with my new Insta360.
Friday clock just hit 5. Shake the week off, feel alive. Jeans ripped at the knee, lipstick stains on whiskey. Neon lights through Uber glass, laughing at our working class. Monday's problems fade to gray, weekend vibes won't obey. Weekend vibes in stereo, baseline deep, let's move slow. Every worry left behind, dancing fools but hearts aligned. Sunday scary, stay away, we've got 48 to play. When the clock tries to intrude, we just turn up the mood, we just turn up the mood. You went out hard and it did she, and every note I'm meant to be, trying to hold on to the day now we finally forsake. Ever crawling if it's here, just our will can naked here. If a battle with a cane, how we still fight away. Weekend vibes in stereo, baseline deep, let's move slow. Every worry left behind, dancing fools but hearts aligned. Sunday scary, stay away, we've got 48 to play. When the clock tries to intrude, we just turn up the mood, we just turn up the mood. Weekend vibes in stereo, baseline deep, let's move slow. Every worry left behind, dancing fools but hearts aligned. Sunday scary, stay away, we've got 48 to play. When the clock tries to intrude, we just turn up the mood, we just turn up the mood.
Look who's in the water.
They forced me. They held my dog hostage until I came in. Now you have her back.
I typically don't get in the water. I just enjoy watching my friends and family have fun, and I stay on the surface with my service dog. As you can see in my other videos, other people are doing the activities while I'm lounging around, but I actually enjoy that. Today they convinced me and I got in for a little while, but then had to get out. Afterwards, we went to Vinny's for pizza and sandwiches and Sloan's ice cream for dessert. Thank you for joining us.